Alright, this is a retake of the elevator at Menards in Sandusky. I'm starting on the second floor because they're currently setting up the Christmas stuff downstairs, right below us. They replaced some of the buttons on this thing. I filmed this thing 5 years ago, so how's it doing now? Let's find out. This is a ThyssenKrupp. This does not work. Love the 3D sensors. Alright, let's get the motor on the way up. This thing isn't too bad. Here's your update of the Sandusky Menards elevator, and you get the Menards jingle at the end. There it goes. And the machine room is actually right behind here. There's the machine room. And there's a look into the store. Alright, man. That'll be it.